adi kotudore kod chenro monego bed noyudo?
Okay, for NSSF, okay, is contributory. Ma employee could employer contribute.
The
fund, yeah, Koro give affect the business operation. Chairman, I call that chairman. You know, once a chairman, so as chairman CPA Molin. Okay, country taxes money payroll. Ndimo kuma employer bear to mo continue magibero shared both. Yeah, like kwa ngiyo pay of course all on the employee. Am I chulo that? Kwa ngiyo NSSF and both employer chulo, employee be chulo. Kwa the ninicha housing levy cha be the same. Employer chulo, employee be chulo. Kwa the alafu ndimo be ilo nango Nitie. Nitie wabende all employers wabende chulo. Magilo ngani National Industrial Training levy. Me by chulo 50 shillings per employee. Man to get an employer na chulo. Aya kwa biro kwa another typical deduction mani again a pay slip. You don't need things like help, for instance. Your man not mano you do loans through help. Even that help deduction. Mabende with time, kaka sani watch loan ni give me dogi. One money look at this item did be malo. Kachking or give us a table generally the universities. Give the portion my individual bear of the malo. Get to courses, to most courses you don't cost you the malo. Go with the time, help the bed a big impact. Especially your benefit from the help. Like teach. It's going to be a major deduction. Of course, until I give them other deduction loans, ikaw sako loan and all that. Koruma gite iyudoni or kongandi gite affect that disposable income. Niso ni kodu ngamati yoni ongi pesa moromo moti mwangono monyalo timogo purchasing power. Koro gibadi timre na employers. The only portions may affect employers. Gidi reduce the employment kanya wadu wacho. Post ma timbre the net effect and nangono kendo gibadi timbre ni or we may end up you don't get to pay the tax collection from employment yalo dok piny kendo. Kech employers diti mangono koro gidi reduce the number of employees. Either by where ohala no kabisa na nyalo we ohala no to the piny moro
makata sani kalure kod weche go mag redundancy duol machoko usuru e pachoka KRA no sechako ywak ni kata pay magi choko sani koro tin kata pay magi sebedo ka giyudo ko sani kokalo kipimo kod dweche mokalo chien sani odok piny kalure ni thoth jotije ma ande chamo sara dwe ka dwe moko kuom gi ochunge tich ere kaka mano bende koro nyalo affect wan kaka jo Kenya
ngesi mochunge tich koro yani pesa no dhi pay kendo manje KRA collect cha I could ibo ni koro employers but temo ndiko ji in outsourcing or outsourcing but now at individual level, outsourcing of individual contractors. Kajini ntiera outsourcing at two level, nyala outsource a corporation or a company. Mabende podi ndiko ji. Season most people are now running away because of the payroll costs. Koro you may find now most of the outsourcing you the term here at contracting at individual levels. Yeah. Koro instead of having as an employee, you do it as a contractual, independent contractual person, more for those services. So in the net effect, payroll, the payroll money they don't pay, but they reduce the taxes. So the manner of Sani Kelete Motemo and be very aggressive on the on now monitoring using these devices, the mobile phones. Can you know gazette? Sending you do all the mobile phones were registered.
Transaction mangata team
yeah, eventually that's how it's going to. With the time, this as